Hi everyone, what's up? I am DozGeek on section 51. Welcome to you. Welcome on section 51. I am here back again for a new video with you. All the fans, all the supporters of section 51. That's always a pleasure to make a video and to see your comments, to read your comments on the videos of section 51. So thank you again for your support, for watching our videos. That's really cool. Thank you all. So today we're gonna take a look at the Earth's mini-moon, which could be an alien probe. Wow, what is this theory, this new theory? So you must know, maybe you read the recent news. Maybe you heard that a mini-moon was recently discovered, a mini-moon orbiting around the Earth. Yes, you already know that there is the moon. But there is not only the moon, there is the mini-moon. Yes, just like in Austin Powers, you have me and you have mini-me. Okay, so let's go on the web in order to check some informations about that incredible subject. And let's move now. Okay, that's it. Where we are in. So this is again the International Business Times. Yes, I know. I often read International Business Times, but don't panic. I also read some different articles and some other news websites. And this is an information which was tweeted, which was also commented and reported by the website space.com. So we will read the both of the websites. So the title here of this new article is Earth's new mini-moon is an alien probe, expert says. This is a very affirmative proposition, I believe. There is no condition, no conditional, or no doubt. Earth's new mini-moon is is an alien probe. There is no doubt. And this is written by Inigo Monson, our dear friend Inigo Monson from the International Business Times, a new article published on February the 3rd of 2020. Yes, the subject of mini-moon, I ever heard about this last month, and I was my curiosity was excited by this new subject. So here are the key points of this new article. Firstly, a mini-moon orbiting Earth was discovered in February. Okay. Secondly, a UFO expert believes the mini-moon is an alien probe. Okay, so this is a new theory of a UFO expert. And don't forget that a UFO expert is not always a scientific expert or an astrophysicist that you can trust. Okay, be careful. I'm not saying that all the UFO experts always say bullshit. No, I'm not saying this. There are respected UFO experts, and you have also some funny UFO experts who say bullshit, and who are not able to recognize when it's real video or when it's fake video. And thirdly, we have some aliens who might be studying how Earth is dealing with the COVID-19 outbreak. Wow! The subject of the coronavirus is again coming in the subject of ufology. Ooh. I think that it's a bit dangerous when some different subjects are mixed like this by supposedly UFO experts. Why mixing COVID-19 with the subject of UFO? So let's start the article. A UFO expert claimed that the newly discovered mini-moon currently orbiting Earth could be an alien probe observing the planet. And the expert said the alleged probe might be analyzing how humans are dealing with current crises such as the coronavirus outbreak. Sorry for my voice. Where is my water? It's here. And I'm receiving messages. Houston, is it you? The mini-moon was first discovered by scientists on February the 15th, and the exact nature of the object remains unknown. Also, many scientists believe that it is most likely an asteroid. Others think that it could be an artificial object, such as a dead satellite that got caught in Earth's gravitational pull. And after analyzing the object, scientists were able to map out its trajectory. According to their findings, the object originally orbited the Sun before getting caught in Earth's gravity. Also, the object was discovered recently. Scientists believe it has been orbiting Earth since 2017, as reported by space.com. And so let's have a look at the website space.com. So we are saying it's been with us for 3 years, astronomers say. Sadly, it will probably be gone by spring. Okay. The Catalina Sky Survey. A diameter between 1.9 to 3.5 meters. So we can see the mini-moon crossing the trajectory. It entered the Earth's orbit 3 years ago. Okay. Tumbling through Earth's increasingly crowded orbit are about 5,000 satellites, 500,000 pieces of human-made debris, and only one confirmed natural object, the Moon. Now astronomers working out of the University of Arizona's Stewart Observatory think they may have discovered a second natural satellite, or at least a temporary one. And we have the tweets of Casper Virchow, I think it's a Paul or Polish scientist, researcher. Earth has a new temporarily captured object, possible mini-moon, called 2020 CD3. On the night of February the 15th, my Catalina Sky Survey teammate Teddy Pryn and I found a 20th magnitude object. Here are the discovery images. So we saw it on the previous video. A mini-moon, also known as a temporarily captured object, is a space rock that gets caught in Earth's orbit for several months or years before shooting off into the distant solar system again, or burning up in our planet's atmosphere. While astronomers suspect there is at least one mini-moon circling Earth at any given time, these tiny satellites are rarely discovered, likely because of their relatively small size. Until now, only one confirmed mini-moon has ever been detected, a 3-foot wide, 0.9 meters asteroid called 2006 RH120, which orbited Earth for 18 months in 2006 and 2007. Now there may be a second, and Kasper Wiercios, a senior research specialist for the NASA and University of Arizona funded Catalina Sky Survey, announced the discovery of a new temporarily captured object via Twitter on Tuesday, February the 25th. The object appears to measure between 6.2 and 11.5 feet, 1.9 to 3.5 meters in diameter, and has a surface brightness typical of carbon-rich asteroids, which Wiercios wrote. And according to an orbital model by amateur astrophysicist and San Francisco High School physics teacher Tony Dunn, the potential mini-moon has likely been trapped by Earth's gravity for about 3 years now and could make its exit in April 2020. So that's really near, resuming its regularly scheduled journey around the Sun. Here is an animated GIF of our new mini-moon 2020 CD3, discovered by Wiercios Kasper. Rotating frame keeps the Earth-Sun line stationary. Okay. Orbital elements courtesy of IUA MPEC. The media could not be played. Okay. So in a perfect universe, our departing mini-moon would fly off and become trapped by the moon's gravity, creating an even rarer class of object, of a moon-moon. Sadly, moon-moons remain only theoretical, and our possible new mini-moon comes with some caveats of its own. While the object's existence has since been confirmed by several other observatories, further analysis is required to say for certain that the object is an extraterrestrial rock and not a large shard of space junk. Hopefully, we'll have an answer before April. I hope that we all be still alive because of the coronavirus before April. Okay, so let's get back to the previous article of International Business Times. Okay, and which was saying yes, we were to the UFO expert. For Scott Waring, again, of ET database, the arrival of the object could mean that aliens are watching Earth. Is Scott Waring of ET database linked to the website International Database, because he is often cited, or his links are always shared by the website International Business Times. In a recent blog post, Waring claimed that the mini-moon circling Earth is an alien vessel that's observing the planet. According to Waring, observing the planet, that reminds me of, that recalls me of the story of the Oumuamua asteroid. You remember when we made a video on the channel? It was about the story of Oumuamua, the famous asteroid which were approaching the Earth, and there was a theory that it was an alien spaceship or spacecraft, and that some secret US operation was sent to explore this alien spacecraft. Yeah, let me invite you to watch the replay of this video on the channel. It's called Oumuamua. You will see. You will find it on the channel. That was another interesting story. Yes, you understand. English is not my natural language. Yes, I'm French. According to Waring, the alien probe arrived to study how humans are coping with current global issues. At the moment, the most prominent international issue is the COVID-19 outbreak, which has already reached over 87,000 confirmed cases worldwide. Yes, whereas now we have reached 100,000 confirmed cases worldwide. Aside from observing humans' reactions to the outbreak, Waring noted that alleged aliens might be trying to determine if the inhabitants of Earth are capable of avoiding another mass extinction event. Yes, that could be a theory. Why did a UFO go into orbit around Earth now? A. That's not really a UFO, that's a mini-moon, and a lot of specialists, a lot of scientists confirmed that it was an asteroid. Waring wrote in a blog post to record, watch, and research how humanity copes and tries to deal with coronavirus. Aliens may know that we do about its capabilities. Aliens may know than we do about its capabilities. They may be here not just to witness humanity fight the virus, but to see if we can avoid a possible ELE, extinction level event. And we have a picture just under the text with the legend: the latest Rosetta findings undercut a theory that comets were the main source of Earth's water. Maybe the mini-moon could be the host of new virus or new bacteria that could kill the coronavirus on Earth. Wouldn't be a very cool scenario, a cool story for a movie? I don't know what to think about that theory that the mini-moon could be an alien probe. The story of Oumuamua was more credible for me because it was bigger, and we had the pictures. We know how it looks like. I like the story. I don't know if it's true or not. The story about about Oumuamua and the story of exploration, space exploration with Oumuamua. But I think that it's a cool story. That's a very interesting and intriguing. That's very strange. And you must know me now. You know that I like all the stories that are strange. But sometimes, when it's false, when it's fake, it's not well faked, and I don't like when you can't believe that when it's unbelievable. It's not well faked. Even if it's faked, please let us dream about it could be right. It could be the truth. Please, if you fake some video or if you fake some story, fake it well. Yes, please. I need to have some fun. I need to dream, like if I was in the movie theater watching a movie, a science fiction movie. But I have to admit that I like that kind of theory, that kind of news. It's again, it's very interesting to know that we have some asteroids who are crossing, who are regularly crossing the Earth's trajectory. That we don't have only one moon, we can have a lot of mini moons. That makes a lot of potential asteroids that we can explore in the future. All these asteroids, of course, could hold some richness, some potential minerals, some important minerals like iron, gold, silver, or many other. So that's very interesting, interesting to dig it up. Okay, guys, thank you for watching again this new video. It was very cool, it was very interesting, it was funny. I always like to spend this moment with you on the channel Section 51. Thank you for watching. As usual, you can like, subscribe to Section 51 and share the video you just watched. Talk about Section 51 around you, with your friends or with people. Don't hesitate to let your comments below the video. We are very curious to see your reactions, to see what you think about all these subjects. We are here to discuss, to share the different minds. We are not close-minded on Section 51. We are very open-minded, as you must know now. So guys, this is the end of this new video on Section 51. As usual, keep your eyes wide open, watch the sky, live long and prosper. It was DozGeek on Section 51, and stay safe. See you next time on Section 51. Bye bye.